Ordering a lava cake for Valentine's Day may be cliche, but is it cliche if you make your own? This is really just my desperate attempt to say that we actually don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. And the reason lava cakes are so famous for Valentine's Day is because, like, look at that. That's romantic. So yeah, we're making lava cakes, but we're making slightly elevated lava cakes that are flavored with cardamom, which are going to give you a nice, slightly floral, citrusy flavor. You'll seem very sophisticated to your Valentine. Also, these are made incredibly simple with a ganache base center instead of like a fussy underbake situation. And if you missed my video on the cheesecake bars, do not be put off by making ganache. It's literally just hot, heavy cream poured over some chopped chocolate and stirred until it all comes together. But it works so well here because when it's warm, it's loose and runny and glossy, but when it's cool, it becomes thick and fudgy, so you can put a little dollop right in the center, and then when it bakes, it warms back up and becomes molten and runny and beautiful. And the absolute best part of this recipe is you can make them ahead, pop them in the freezer, so after dinner, you can just throw them in the oven. Serve with whipped cream, ice cream, whatever you desire. The full recipe and all the details can now be found on my website, so head to bakeswithrach.com for this recipe and more. Okay, bye!